You are listening to the Elgato Wave 3 USB microphone. If you're interested in the full technical specifications, I'll put the link in the description below. You're listening to the microphone without any post-processing. It is plugged in directly into my MacBook Pro with the input volume set at 50%. And I am recording this audio through the Voice Memos app. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. It comes with a quick start guide, but if you'd like more information, as well as instructions on how to use and download Wavelink, go to the Elgato's website. It comes with a 2.5 meter USB cable. The cable is a USB-C to USB-A, but the microphone works with any other USB cables. It also comes with its adapter if you wish to put the microphone on a boom arm or a mic stand. The microphone was nicely wrapped and it was secure in the box. On the front, you'll see the dial that controls your microphone gain, headset volume, and on the back, there's the 3.5mm headset jack and the USB-C port, and the mute button is on the top. It comes already assembled, as you can see here, with the U-mount and the base stand attached. I purchased the bundle pack, which includes the pop filter, the shock mount, and extension rods. The pop filter comes with some documentation on how to install it. The pop filter is compatible with the Elgato Wave 3 microphone and sits nicely either in the U-mount or in the shock mount. Toward the end of this video, you'll see the full-blown product with all of these parts attached. This is the shock mount. It does come with documentation as well on how to install the shock mount. And there is a 5/8 to 3/8 adapter. That silver adapter can be removed if you need. And finally, these are the extension rods. If you look at the base stand right now, it's relatively close to the bottom of the U-mount and the bottom of the microphone. By using the extension poles, it can place the microphone at a taller height. And this is the final product with the pop filter and the shock mount attached to the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, and thank you. We'll see you again the next time.